Assalamualaikum guys, how are you all? So today we're going to be making Eid cards. Are you ready? So Eid Mubarak to all of you for joining me today. So let's get started. Here is a purple colored paper. Now fold it in half like this. Now we are going to start with our next. Now we're going to add some moon and glittery decorations. This is very sparkly. You like it? I love it. Now we're going to add some glittery stars and paste them on. We are also going to write Eid Mubarak because this is a Eid card. You all know that's why you played this video. Now we're going to start writing Eid Mubarak because this is a Eid card. I really like how the word is written because it's so nice. Now we're going to write Mubarak because this is Eid Mubarak. I hope you all like it. We are almost done. You can also make this because this is very beautiful. Now we are going to take some UHU glue and stick this spready thing on. I thought then it will look beautiful. That's why I decided to put it on. You have to put it on both sides, up and down. That way it will look much prettier. Now it's time for our top part. This glue is very sticky. If you are littler than me, you have to ask a grown-up to help you. Please try very carefully. It is very hard. Wow, it looks very pretty. Do you think it looks beautiful? I think it looks wonderful. But we're not done yet. We also have to add some twinkles with my glittery pens. We are going to add twinkles with my two favorite colors, silver and golden. This way it's very pretty and sparkly. I hope you like it. Now it's time for us to use the golden marker. You have to make them a little bit tiny and a little bit big, so they look much nicer and brighter. I'm almost done. Are you done? It's so pretty and sparkly. I hope you like it. It's amazing. Now I think we're going to start over our next one. Do you want to see how it looks? Now we're going to start with the next paper. It's green color. Now we're going to fold it like before. And you know what are we gonna do next? We're going to stick this lovely masjid on it. Because after all, it's Eid Mubarak. Eid cards can also be made with a lot of things like lal tank and masjids and stars, glitter with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, and Eid cards can make made of tons of things. You can also find Eid cards on many channels. That's why I decided to make an Eid card to show you, because I was seeing a lot of people make this and I knew it was too pretty. So I knew that my fans would love to make this. So I made this for all of you to see. I hope you make it as pretty as me, because I know you have the confidence to make it as better as I can. Do you think it looks sparkly? I think it looks very cute and beautiful. The masjid is even sparkly than all of the written things. I'm almost done. This is a very short video and you'll have to watch very carefully to what I'm doing. And you'll have to pay attention because you'll have to make one too. And I think you can make as nice as I can. Do you think it looks pretty? I think it looks gorgeous. It's almost as beautiful as how we have jewelries, everything. It's almost pretty as diamonds and it's so sparkly. I hope you're paying attention to the video. It's very nice and pretty too. I hope you make this with your parents at home too. Also, don't forget to add some beautiful stars with your favorite colors and make sure the stars and the moons are extremely sparkly. Because I love glitter and sparkle. Now we're going to take glue, and with glue we're going to stick more of those sparkly things. I don't know what to call them, but now I remember what we call it now. We call it lace. Now we're going to stick some lace with some glue. It looks very, very nice and pretty, and I think it also looks sparkly. I hope you like it too. I think it looks very wonderful and very nice. So, do you like it? It's very nice. This one, Eid Mubarak, everybody. Allah Hafiz and Happy Eid. Thanks for watching, all of my fans.